Hey, what's going on everybody? Paul Tech here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can hide that front-facing camera cutout to your Samsung Galaxy A10, A20, A30. Basically, this method will work for a wide variety of A series devices. So as you can see there, we got that nice Infinity V display on the A10 and A20 here. Now, some of you might not like that cutout to the front-facing camera, and you might want to hide it. So in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can hide that front-facing camera. It's a very easy process. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through it. First thing what you want to do is you're going to want to go into settings. So go ahead and click on settings. And then what you want to do is click on display. Once you do that, you're going to scroll until you see the option for full screen apps. So click on full screen apps. And then to the upper right hand corner, you got three dots. Go ahead and click on those three dots and click on advanced settings. And now you get the option to hide the camera cutout. So basically what's going to happen, there's going to be a black bar that's going to be on the top of your display. So let me go ahead and exit out to the home screen now. And as you can see, this is how it's going to look now once you hide that camera cutout. Now, from a distance, it actually looks pretty decent, looks fairly clean looking. But as you take a closer look, as you can see up on top, you can still somewhat see that camera cutout to the front-facing camera. So that black bar doesn't completely blacken out the top of your display. You'll still see a little bit of it there if you look close enough. But yeah, that's basically how it's going to look when you hide the camera cutout. I'll go ahead and scroll around here just a little bit just so how you can see how it's going to look if you decide to enable this feature. And as you can see, jumping into the Play Store, how it looks, it honestly doesn't look that bad if you decide to hide the camera cutout. And a big shout out to Mobile Geezer jumping in the video here. I see you. Hey guys, definitely check out his channel. He's an awesome content creator. I've actually met him in person. Really cool guy. I'll link his channel in the description below of this video, guys. Definitely go check out Mobile Geezer. Now, I was actually using this feature a little bit earlier before making this video. I was watching a YouTube video with the camera cutout hidden, and when I zoomed in just like that, I got the display just completely filled. I don't get the camera cutout interfering with the content that I'm watching. So there is an added benefit from hiding the camera cutout when you are watching YouTube videos. As you can see there, you're not going to lose any content. But that's basically it. That is just a quick tutorial on how you can hide the camera cutout. So if you found this video helpful, informative in any way possible, please hit that thumbs up button. And please subscribe to the channel for more future videos just like this. I'm going to go ahead and get my camera cutout back on my Samsung Galaxy A20 here. Me personally, I don't mind the cutout. I think this display looks amazing. Infinity V display. I think the A series devices are just some of the best looking phones on the market. With that being said, thanks for watching everybody. This is Paul Tech, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.